Hello guys, how are you, all of you? So this time we will make a master rod of Radial Engine. This video could be longer from the other videos, but you will be get more interest. It will be more interesting when we will make it. So be with me to see the procedure how we will make the master rod. First, I want to tell you what is the use of master rod. What does the master rod? Master rod just connects the other pistons of the radial engine to its piston, or by the using of nut bolts, as you can see in this portion. So it works as connector, which uses to just connect the other piston and its articulated rod to its piston and master rod. So be with me to see the procedure how it will make. Okay guys, to make the master rod, we will first go on the new page. So just generate or click on new and just click on part modeling, double click it, it will open automatically. Okay, after that what we will do, we will just draw a sketch on the top plane and we will draw the two circles. Okay, so just assign it a dimension 52 diameter and 63 diameter. Okay, after that what we will do, we will just take a center line from the origin point, and it should be just straight, and we will also define the dimension of the center line. It is 250 mm. So we will also make two circles and we will dimension it. First one is 24 and second one is 35 diameter. Okay, after that we will take a line, and it should not be straight line. We will just mirror it. We will just trim the unnecessary portion of the line. Sorry, I have set the mirror. We will just trim it and we will assign the dimension, and it should be the dimension from this point to the center point is 9 mm, and this end point of the line to the center point is 13 mm. Okay, now just we will take the perimeter circle and give it the first tangent and the second tangent, and give it a dimension of 72 radius. So what we will do, we will just 72 into 2 because it will take the whole diameter, right? So just trim it, the unnecessary portion, So here we have created the arc, and same as the previous arc, we will also arc or take a circle of 35 diameter. You could be able to do this arc by taking the perimeter circle. It will create the arc very easily. We will take the 70 dia. So the arc will be 35 radius. So we will just trim the unnecessary things. Okay, after doing that, we will just trim the also inner portion or inner unnecessary portion. So it's okay. Now we will click the OK, and we will just mirror this arc line and this arc also on the opposite side. So we will click on mirror entities and select the arc line and this arc, and we will mirror about the center line. So click on OK, and we will do the same thing, the trim on the opposite side, and just click on OK. And we will just extrude it from the mid plane 42. Click on OK, just OK. We have made this one. So what we will do, we will just select the front plane and click on sketch and just activate the sketch. And what we will do, we will take a straight line first. We will give a center line. It should be straight. Okay, we will also take a line. It should not be straight. It's okay. We will give it the angle 2 degree, and Control 8. We will also dimension it from this point to this point. Yes. Okay, what we will do, we will do just the, so we will take a straight line, or just okay. Line should be from this point to this point, and the dimension of it should be 35. Okay, it is driven. We could not change its dimension. This is straight. We will take the dimension 35. This point to this should be 0. Just take a straight line and OK, and trim it. Okay, so we will just give a distance, and it is just 9 mm. Okay. Okay. After doing that, we'll here also take a line, and it should be three by 2. 35. Okay. We'll take a dimension from this point to this point, and it should be just 87 mm. And the dimension from this point to this point is 0. Sorry, sorry. Dimension from this point to this point is 87. Okay. Now what we will do, we will just take a line from this point to this point, and we will touch it. Just click on OK, and we will take a perimeter circle, and it should be tangent from that point and that point, and take the radius or diameter 78. 78 should be radius, so it will be diameter this one. So just by default, sorry, for mistaken it has just exited from this sketch, so just trim it, the unnecessary things. These are unnecessary. So now what we will do, we'll just take a line from this end point to this point. Okay. Let's okay. Let's take again the line from this point to this point. Click OK. Now it has taken OK. Now what we will do, we will just go on feature and extruded cut. Select the portion. By default it has automatically selected, so we will show all both. Just click on OK. So we have created this portion. So what we will do, we will just mirror it on the opposite side. Select mirror and select the plane. Select the feature. OK. And now we will just create the slot. So just select center point straight slot, and sorry, again. Okay. Just give it the dimension. This should be 6 radius, and the length of this one is 150, and the distance from this point to the just will take a circle, and that should be center point circle, and just okay, and make it construction by clicking left click. Okay, you can see it is just construction line. So just take a smart dimension and give it distance from this point to this point. We have taken it for giving this dimension. It should be just 30. Okay, now just click on extruded cut and cut it. It should be offset from the sketched plane, and it should be just 2.5 mm above. It should be 2.5, and make it up to next and give it opposite direction, and you can see the extruded cut. And what we will do next, we will just mirror it. Just select the plane. We will select top plane, and we will mirror it. It has all automatically taken. So see, we have created this slot. So what we will do now, we will just click on this and select the activate it, and we will just make some circles around this point. So first we will just enter point, we'll take some center line, just track the path and take the center line and select OK. We will again track the horizontal and click OK. Just make 2 circles and assign it with dimension. It should be 10 dia, smaller one, and the another one is 26. Okay, so just give it a distance from this vertical center line. It should be 15, and from the horizontal center line it should be 43. Okay, Now again we need the same two circles. So what we will do, we will just keep pressing the control and select the two circles, this one and this one, and from the center point we will drag it. So it will, what it will do, it will just copy it. Sorry, select the two circle and drag it, just so give it the distance from this point to this point is 40, and horizontal center line to the center point of this is 26. So now we need the same circle, same size of circles at the same distance from the horizontal or vertical center line, but on the opposite side. So what we will do, we will just mirror it. This one, this circle and this circle also, and about the horizontal center line. And now what we will do, we will just convert this line, and this line. Sorry, don't need to convert, only this line. And click on OK. Select the perimeter circle and select this one is the first. Now we will assign 8 dimension, and it should be 72 radius. 72 radius. So we are taking the whole circle, so it will be diameter. So 72 into 2 is equal to 144, and we will just limit that. Wait. What has happened? Yes. Convert entity. Take this also. Click OK. And not limit. Otherwise, it will erase. So it is not necessary to just erase it. We will also erase it. Okay. So again we will take the same perimeter circle and select 2 points of tangent, this point and this point, and just dimension 8. Sorry, not dimension, it should be 72 into mid 2, 44, wait. 72 into 2. So we have not given the given it the diameter, so it has just squeezed or compressed. So again we will take the same perimeter circle and we will take 2 tangent points, give it the dimension 72 into 2, so it will take the 144 diameter, just trim it. Okay. After it, we will just easily take mirror, and we will mirror the entities, this one, about this one, also this one. Let's see. We will take this about. So now we have created the just okay, and we will trim and just convert these entities this case. Okay, so it will close, otherwise it will not shoot. Just click on OK and just trim the unnecessary things. Just extend it, otherwise it will just click on okay. And trim the extra things, right? Okay, these are extra things. So click on OK and put it up to 7, give it opposite direction and give the distance it 7. Okay. So finally we have created this portion. Now we need to just mirror. On the opposite side we will select the top plane as mirror face or plane, or we will take extruded boss base and OK. So here we have created the master rod, and we will also assign a beautiful color. Yeah, this one is just for it. So here we have created the master rod of Radial Engine. For more videos like it, just subscribe my channel, share and comment, and keep liking on it to inspire me to upload these type of videos. Thanks a lot for watching this. See you again.